Folding hand trucks are a versatile and practical solution for those who need to transport heavy or bulky items. There are many products available to choose folding hand trucks, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best folding hand trucks from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Spacekeeper Folding Hand Truck. The Spacekeeper Folding Hand Truck is a heavy-duty and durable luggage cart that can hold up to 500 pounds capacity with stability and smoothness. Its extendable base plate provides extra space to place larger-sized goods, and the adjustable handle allows you to adjust the height according to your needs. The folding feature makes it easy to store and transport, and the included flexible ropes add convenience for carrying. This multifunctional hand truck is suitable for various uses, including shopping, travel, cargo handling, and more. Number 2. Virgo Industrial 100 pounds capacity personal folding hand truck dolly cart. The Virgo Industrial Folding Hand Truck is a lightweight and heavy-duty dolly cart that can handle up to 275 pounds of weight. It comes fully assembled and ready to use. The telescoping handle extends out to a height of 42.5 inches and locks into place. The hand truck is collapsible and compact, equipped with a folding nose plate and nesting wheels. The foam-padded handle provides a comfortable grip and includes 2 bungee cords to further secure boxes and packages. Number 3. Ultimax Professional Heavy. The Ultimax hand truck is a professional heavy-duty folding cart with a 150-pound capacity. The adjustable handle allows for easy maneuvering, while the folding wheels make storage convenient. The included bungee cord helps secure your items in place during transport. This hand truck is perfect for moving heavy luggage or boxes, providing you with a practical and efficient solution for your hauling needs. Number 4. Magna Cart 1-Pack Foldable Hand Cart. The Magna Cart aluminum folding hand truck is a compact and versatile tool that can easily transport up to 150 pounds of cargo. It features a telescoping handle that extends to 39 inches, a large 15-inch aluminum base, and 5-inch rubber wheels that do not require air. The hand truck folds flat to only 2.5 inches thick, making it easy to store and transport. It is ideal for use at home, in the office, while traveling, or for recreational use. The product ships in certified frustration-free packaging. Number 5. 2-in-1 Folding Hand Truck Dolly. YNGTZ Folding Hand Truck is a versatile 2-in-1 cart that can be used as a 2-wheel foldable cart or a 4-wheel push cart. The durable steel frame can hold up to 330 pounds, making it perfect for various tasks. Its compact size when folded makes it easy to store in your car trunk. The included folding basket helps you organize items, while the adjustable handle provides a comfortable grip. With 5-inch noiseless wheels, this cart is ideal for moving items around with ease.
That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.